Hi, this is Mrs. Owens. Welcome to your daily dose of grammar. Yesterday, our focus was prepositions, and we learned that a preposition is like a word bridge that comes before a noun and connects the rest of the sentence. So if you see right here, we have the student climbed up the tree. The tree is our noun, and we're using the word up to connect it to the rest of the sentence. Today, we're going to continue with that, but we're going to add on. Today, we're going to show how prepositions can show movement from one place to another. So let's take a look at this example. We have this little worm right here, and what we have is we have to have the box. We're connecting it to the worm crawled. And now, how did that worm crawl? Well, in this case, the worm is crawling into the box, and into is our preposition. Let's do another one. The worm crawled onto the box. So this time we have our little worm here and he went on to. So the movement, it is showing the movement of how the worm moved onto the box. And another one, this time we have the worm crawled around the box. Positions are because they are going to show you how the worm is moving, and in this case it's going to connect the worm to the box and it's moving around the box. Another one, the worm, and this time the worm is going to go over, so it's connecting that movement of it's moving the worm over the box. So over is a preposition. Our last one here is under. Now this one makes me laugh because look at this over here. This little worm is literally going underneath the box. So a preposition connects, it comes before a noun and takes that noun and connects it to the rest of the sentence. So for this activity, we're going to read all of these prepositions of movement, and as we read, or if you want to listen to the preposition, use your finger or your pencil and make the movement of each word. So here we go. Our first one is across, around, away, between. He's sneaking in there between them. This word here is down, so he's going down, or he's going into, he's going off, he's going onto, he's coming out, he's going over, he's going past the box. And this one's really funny. Think about this worm. He's going to actually go through the box. He's going to move from back here toward the box. And again, there's that under. And in this case, he's going up. And so it looks like our box is turned into some steps. So he's going up. So our lesson today was to think about prepositions. And that basically it's taking a preposition, and we call them prepositions of movement because they show how something is moving, showing that movement of an object to another object.